In this video, I will show you how to download and install MyPaint software in Windows 11. If you want to download and install MyPaint software without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, you have to search MyPaint in search bar. When you search MyPaint in search bar, then press enter. After searching MyPaint in search bar, here you will find MyPaint is an easy to use painting program. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach this page. Here you'll find download option. Download MyPaint version 2.0.1 installer. Click this link. When you click this link, you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. And here you can see your file is downloading. We have to wait for some time. Then we will open it and install it. And you can see we have just downloaded MyPaint in Windows 11. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going Windows Explorer in download folder where I can see MyPaint. Right click on it for installing, then click open. Remember, we are installing it. You have to click. After clicking yes, you have to choose next. Then click install, and our MyPaint software is installing. Again, here we have to wait until this process is completing. And here you can see one program is running. We have downloaded and installed MyPaint. Here you can see when you search MyPaint in search bar, like MyPaint, here you can find 64-bit. Now you can open it and use it. I hope this video help you.